Hi my Instagram family, you all have been requesting me for a Kanjivaram Saree drape, and today I'm going to show you all this. This drape has just come up today, and the name that we are giving is a little surprise. So let's do the drape and then we'll decide on the name, okay? So this saree, we start a little more towards your right. As you can see what I've done. Take your saree from here, and the first thing you do is start making your upper pleats. You know how we make our upper pleats. And then, to save time, I've just pleated the whole saree. So see, this is, you make your pleats and look at the length that you have to leave. See, it's so much more on the floor. So this is the length that you need to do it. And after you've done this, just leave some amount of cowl here. I'll show you how much you need to leave. So this, this is the little cowl that you should leave. And then the rest fabric, just make pleats. You make pleats and just neaten it up from here and tuck the whole thing inside. See, the Kanjivaram, I've always seen that you all face a problem because the width is so much, the length is so much that when you pleat, you feel you've got a bulge here because you get at least 6 to 7 pleats. So that is what I've done, is I've reduced the pleats and pleat here, only have 4 pleats. So after you've done this, tuck in neatly. Now this part of the fabric, what you do is, take this from here, go back and take this off. Make a nice neat V, hold it in a V slant way and pin this up here on the shoulders. You will see this? Yeah. And then what we've done, we've already pleated and pinned. Take that and rest the pleated part on your shoulders back. Just finishing up with the rest of the pleats like this. Turn this side. Okay. Yeah. So just make it nice and neat on your bust side so it doesn't look too much of gathers, because Kanjivaram looks nice if it is beautifully and crisply pleated. So this, you can accessorize it with a belt. Like this. Yeah. So yeah, this I've done it, and you can just cover it like the way you want. Your whole Kanjivaram is done, and look at the look from back. Looks nice, neat, and I think it's just like 2 minutes job. You can just pleat it and keep it if you want, and you can just decide that you're wearing this, pleat it, keep it, and it's just a 2 minutes job for you. So enjoy draping. I love you all. Bye.